Hello everyone, my name is Ivica. Thank you so much for being on my latest Unreal beginner tutorial that will show you how you can create a really simple flickering material in Unreal Engine. So there is a lot of possibilities and options for using flickering materials in your Unreal Engine, and the same applies to your games as well. This tutorial will show you how you can do that and create the same material really quickly and easily. So the first thing you'll need to do is, of course, create the new material instance. Just right click and go for material. I'm going to call it Flicker. And from here on, I'm going to open it up by double clicking on it. And you'll get your basic material editing view or viewport. Now we want to change that not for the material domain of surface, but we're going to change that to light function. And as you can see, you have your emissive color as the only active node. Here you'll have an option of creating a selection of nodes, number of nodes that will be used to create the same flickering material. The first node you're going to create is the constant node. So right click and go for constant. Here it is. And the second node you'll need is time. Here's time as well. These two nodes should combine and collect each other or go together into the multiply node. And we're going to connect them. And we're also going to turn this constant into a parameter. So going to take this and convert it to parameter. We can call it flicker speed. But we also need two additional nodes that will go from the multiply node, and one is sine and the other is frac. And from here on out, we're going to connect the same selection of 5 nodes to the emissive color. The only thing we have to do next is to change the parameter of frac, or which is the flicker speed, to a different value. So let's set up the value of, for example, 3 here. And we have our flickering material. Now we simply need to save the same material. And we can apply it in the scene. So here we are. Here is the scene. Let's add, for example, a sphere. We're going to extrude it. And let's enlarge it a bit. Or place it here, for example. And we can drag and drop the same material onto the same sphere. So let's check it out in the game. Here it is. Here is my flickering sphere, and it is doing what it's supposed to be doing, which is flickering, yeah? And that's pretty much how the same process goes. As you can see, it's really simple, it's straightforward. It includes this selection of nodes, which, yeah, demands some work, but then you can go back, for example, to surface, change the color, do many more things, and create a flickering material or flickering light even that you want to have in your Unreal Engine level. So there you have it, a simple, easy, straightforward process through which you can create a flickering material, and from there on out you can create material instances and do whatever you want to do. That's all for this Unreal Engine beginner tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, thank you so much. Please consider liking the video, leaving a comment or a question if you have them. There are a bunch of ways you can support my channel. The easiest is to simply subscribe to it, and I love to see you on my new tutorials. Also, there's a bunch of previous tutorials that you can check out. All of them are beginner grade or beginner level, so hope you found this useful, or that you will find this useful as well. That's all from me. My name is Ivica. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in a week on my new Unreal Engine beginner tutorial video, and until then, have loads of fun in your Unreal Engine levels. Bye bye!